Okay, this is how we use the Explore tab to be able to find hashtags relevant to our business or what we're trying to accomplish. So you go into the magnifying glass at the bottom. So I was on my account, I go at the magnifying glass at the bottom left. In the search bar, I'm going to search, in this case, I'll search Vancouver real estate because we're doing a boot camp in Vancouver for real estate. So I want to see what hashtags are these guys using so I can use them to have them discover me. So if I type it, I can go into the top, what comes up top for Vancouver real estate, and then I can see, okay, well, let's see what these guys are doing and what they're using. So they have a lot of information here. So let's see what's happening with this, for example. Are they using some hashtag? Yes. So I'm going to save it. See the little flag at the bottom left, right of the image? You click on it and it says save to collection. I've already have a collection build that's called real estate hashtag there, but you can click plus, the plus sign, and build a new collection. So in this case, I'm going to save it to my real estate hashtags. And then I go back and you can play with this. You can go in the tags and see, okay, what's happening with real estate agent, Vancouver real estate agent. Okay, let's see who, what that post was all about. And okay, oh, he's using lots of hashtags. Perfect. I'm gonna flag this, add it to my collection. So you go, you move around and you see who's using, who's out there, what's the conversation about, what are people using? See, this is Sotheby's. What is Sotheby's using? Oh, a bunch of hashtags. Perfect. Save them to my collection. Now, what do you do with that? You go back to your page and there's a sandwich at the top right. You click on it and this is where you see all your saved posts in your collections. You can save anything, by the way. You can save like fun inspiration quotes or recipes, whatever you like on Instagram. So in our folder real estate hashtags, I go there and I've saved some and I can see all the posts with some hashtags. So I can type them into a little note or one by one, but there's a way easier way to go about this with just cut and paste it using your desktop. So I'll see you back at my desktop in just a second for phase 2. Okay, I want you to go to your Instagram account on desktop. You'll see your post, you'll see your highlights and everything else. These are your posts. And then I want you to go on your saved post, the post that you have previously saved in your little collection, like we showed you in the previous video. Now, what you can do is now that you are on desktop, you can actually go and cut and paste these. But how are you going to bring them to your phone? Good question. So I'm going to copy these. You go in your notes. This is for Mac. You go in your notes and you create a new note and then you paste them. And then you can, the first word is going to be what you see. So you can say hashtags real estate. And that's it. You can organize them a little bit if you want, give it some space, delete some that you won't be using. For example, if you don't want to use this one, but you want to use the others, you can clean them up. But this is how you actually go about, and then you can save all these hashtags. And when you open your phone, they'll be there for you to cut and paste straight into your phone. Little shortcut.